Omicron is accepted to trigger outrageous weakness, body hurts and migraines, yet not the deficiency of taste or smell, and no drop in oxygen levels as seen in past variations. Others have hailed dry hacks, fever and night sweats as other likely manifestations of the new variation, as well. WHO's Dr. von Kerkhove said,
There are a lot of different scenarios that we're considering for Omicron, and of course it's still very early days. We don't have all the information yet on transmission in terms of if there is a fitness advantage, if it's more transmissible. There is some suggestion of that, but again, it's early days. We expect to have more information on transmission within days, not necessarily weeks, but in days. In terms of the severity profile, we have seen reports of cases with Omicron that go from mild disease all the way to severe disease. There is some indication that some of the patients are presenting with mild disease, but again, it's early days, and we do have a surveillance bias right now in terms of the cases that are being detected. There is also a suggestion of increased hospitalizations across South Africa, but that could be a factor of the sheer fact that we have more cases. And if you have more cases, you'll have more hospitalizations. It is certainly possible that one of the scenarios is that the virus, as it continues to evolve, may still have a fitness advantage, meaning that it could become more transmissible than Delta. We'll have to see. But we don't know quite yet about the severity. The more this virus circulates, the more infections there will be. The more infections there will be, the more people will die. And this is something that can be prevented. So everything that we can do for Delta, which is dominant worldwide, needs to be applied and strengthened for Omicron.
Will the current antibodies work? The antibodies utilized all over the planet were totally worked to ensure against the Delta variation strain of COVID, which was first detailed in December 2020. WHO noticed that the new variation seems to have transformations on the protein spike used to taint individuals, which means Omicron could avoid the body's insusceptible reaction in any event, when it has been supported by the antibody. WHO's crisis chief Dr. Mike Ryan additionally cautioned that there is no proof sponsor pokes will assist with securing the populace against Omicron. In a push for immunization value, he said, the genuine danger of serious infection, hospitalization and demise lies in especially in danger and weak people who do require assurance against all variations of COVID-19. Would it be a good idea for us to be concerned? Educator von Gottberg made a significant qualification when she said that while antibodies from past contaminations may not prevent individuals from getting the new infection strain, it very well may be sufficient to forestall hospitalization and passing. The WHO has accentuated that until further notice, individuals should keep on utilizing the actions which checked Delta contaminations for Omicron, to forestall disease by and large.